Put one of those in the middle. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now, on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be doing is tomato soup. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share, comment, and all that good stuff. And now we can begin the show. Right guys, to begin with, I'm only going to make a small portion, so I've only got 3 tomatoes. 3 little ones, right? All you want to do, cut out the middle bit, as always. As you know, I hate this. So, yeah, get rid of that. Moving on. Okay. Done. Get rid of that, make some space, and all you want to do, cut up into 4 pieces, right? Chuck it in there. Job done. Surface is clean, don't worry about that. It's been pre-cleaned just before recording, so don't say what happened to that, blah blah blah. Done, right? Now you wanna season it. Let me just pour it all onto one side so it's easier, right? A pinch of salt. Okay. You wanna get some pepper. You wanna get some. I'm adding paprika. Okay. You could add more, you could add less, you could not wear it. You could avoid not using it, rather. Right? What you want to do, turn on the oven, 200. Just use your knife to wiggle it all about a little bit. Mix it up, make sure it's all, you know, coated nicely with the oil and your seasoning. Okay. When that is done, make sure it's all, yeah. Great. Put this in the oven, give it about 20-25 minutes. Now is the artistic part where precision is required. You need to make, it's a bit dry this one, a square, okay, let's say about there. Connect the lines. Okay. You want to get it going, okay, cut your bread up, make sure you get into the dough, so hopefully when you want to try and lift it, you can without breaking it. Excellent. We can put this to a side, empty this bit out, but try and not to go too deep. Don't take out too much, because this is where we're going to put our soup, ladies and gentlemen. Right? Okay. do apologize if I block the viewing. Okay, and then do it the other way. So, here is our lovely cheddar cheese. I'm going to make it into half, and with the help of the knife, I think, I don't know, haven't really thought this bit through. Oh no, don't come off. Yeah, this didn't. How do we go about by doing this? We've got to just jam it. This may be another fail, guys. There you are. I'm not going to do, well, say that. Yeah, I'm going to leave it as that. Right guys, put the bread in the baking tray. This is some melted butter with some chopped up parsley. What you want to do is quite simply butter up your bread. Okay, be generous with it, don't be shy, all over. Do you know what guys, do you know what I forgot? Let me finish this and then I'm going to tell you what I forgot. One of the main parts and one of the easiest parts, yeah, get some of that parsley in there as well, make it look good. Yeah, get it in there. Buttered up, mate. Get this butters buttered up, mate. Where's the parsley at? Come on, mate. Right, I'm going to leave it as that. Now, bring the cheese back. You want to put one in the base. Okay, oh look at that, it fit well. It done help for my job, helped me out on the sides as well. Here's what you're going to do. I'm going to put some more in on the side. Okay. A little bit more, not too much because it's going to be like full of cheese and all of that in there. So yeah, just fill up the gaps. Okay. Like that. I'm going to eat this one, by the way. I finished half the pack. Right. It's time to swap. We're going to put this bad boy in the oven for 10 minutes and then take out the tomatoes. Let me take that out first actually. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Now, get yourself a spoon. Oh, look at that, it's all dried up. Chuck it in there. Right. See, I would have added stock cube, but I actually ran out, so I ain't got none. Instead, I'm just going to add some water. Not too much. Let me put the lid on, make sure it's sealed. Put that here. Oh, bear me a sec guys, let me just clean up this bit. And we need the power cable. Right, you guys ready? Let's start off slow, shall we? How do we... Looking good. Sorry guys, I can't help it. That cheese is amazing and I keep on eating. Right. That is off. That is here. Look at that. Now all you want to do is put this fruit away in a plate without burning yourself. Okay, we've got the melted cheese there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is still warm, guys. It's still quite hot actually, as you can tell by the steam. It's a bit runny, but it's a soup, guys. Fill it up. Okay. There you have it. And just as a presentation, put one of those in the middle. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is your tomato soup. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up